Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. If you are new to the channel, you are most welcome. If you are existing subscribers, you are most welcome. So, as you can see, we are doing another cooking section in our section, Cooking Made Simple. And we've also created another channel of the same name. So if you could support that as well, please, because that is, if we earn money from that, it's going to go to a good cause. Okay, so today's recipe is a really nice, simple recipe. And what can we say? Food. And previously, one subscriber described my one of the recipes as student food, yeah, which was very apt for that. Well, it's definitely apt for this, because what we're doing is an omelette or egg sandwich. Okay, so the ingredients, as you can see, obviously bread. I've got two cheese slices there. You can either have that or the grated one. So that'll be explained later. Well, basically, I'm going to put it on the bread to make sure it sticks. So we've got the spices there. Those are of your choice. So we've got salt, pepper, garam masala, and chili powder, which is what I prefer, and a green chili, one egg, and these are the things that are going to go in the sandwich. So it's entirely up to you what you put on the sandwich. So as you can see, I've got salad and tomatoes to keep it nice and simple. And of course, you can have your own toppings as well, such as mayo. So what we're going to do is to put the ingredients into the egg and whisk that. Okay, all the ingredients are in the egg now. We're going to give that a whisk. So the mixture is ready now. Initially I had one egg, but we decided to do two because it didn't look enough. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a pan over here with a tablespoon of oil, and that's been getting hot whilst we've done that. So the egg's in the frying pan now. Viewers, will let that cook for a while, and then we'll show you the next process. So as you can see, it's cooking nicely. So we are going to flip it over and cook this side now. So we're cooking the other side now, viewers. So as you can see, this side is cooked nicely. We're ready for the next process now, viewers. So we're going to put the bread over here and cook it for a while. And because it's going to be a sandwich, it's a good idea to put a little bit of cheese so that it does stick together. So a little bit of cheese over here, please. And we'll put the bread over that. Okay, we're going to do the other one now. Little bit of cheese. And the bread on there. Okay, so we'll let that melt and cook for a while. A few seconds. So once that is cooked, viewers, we're going to flip it over so that we're cooking this side of the bread. So it's been flipped over now, viewers, and the bread is cooking on the other side. But as you can see, the egg is larger than the bread area, so we're going to flip that inwards. So as you can see, the egg is nicely on the bread, and we're just going to flip the two together and cook the bread a little bit more, and then show you the next process. Just missed a small part, viewers, we are going to put the cheese onto one of the sandwiches, one of the bread pieces, and then flip it over. So we'll put the cheese on there, please. So I've chosen slices, but you can use uh, shredded if you so wish. So as you can see, viewers, we've put the cheese on, and we're going to cook the bread a little bit further. So as you can see, viewers, that has melted nicely onto both of them. So what I did was I did flip it back. So we're ready to add our final ingredients, complements, as it were. I'm just going to have lettuce and tomato. It's entirely up to you. Many people prefer mayo and other things. Okay, so let's get those put on. As you can see, viewers, the lettuce and the tomato are on the bread now, so we're going to let it cook once again so that they are a little bit cooked, and then flip the breads again. So that is our final product now, viewers. So if you're not happy with the way it looks there, as you can see, that's nice and brown and a lovely texture. I'm happy with that, but if you like it well done, that's your decision, and cook it the way you like. Okay, there is the final product, and this is something that I used to produce in my student days an awful lot, and Mum used to make it a lot for us as well when she was pushed for time. So thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And until the next time, I say thank you for watching. Look after yourselves. Look after others. I say goodbye. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज.